What's up YouTube, Todd Dower here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can turn $40 into $80. That's right, if you have two $20 bills, I'm going to show you how to turn that into four $20 bills. So make sure you follow this video all the way to the end to get every piece of what I'm going to be sharing with you inside this video. So today I'm going over a program that is enabling you to turn $40 into $80. Okay, that means a $40 commission is actually they're gonna pay you out $80 for a $40 sale that you make with this company. And the name of this company I will not reveal exactly right now, but when I hop on over to my computer, I'm going to share with you the exact funnel that makes sales every single day, and also at the same time I'm going to reference a strategy that I just went over. I think it was a couple days ago, where I was sharing with you the Facebook ad strategy, showing you how to make money with ClickBank and make $300 per day using Facebook ads. So that same exact strategy is the same strategy you're going to be using with this program. You need to know the exact funnel to use with this program in order for you to have success with it. And then I'm going to give you some more tips on how to generate leads every single day right inside of your messenger box, and also at the same time create a residual income on the back end. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to hop on over to my computer, where I'm going to share with you all of the details explained inside this video. Alright, so I just wanted to land on this page to let you guys know exactly what this website is about. This is the website that I use. As you can see at the top here, this is my link. It says work with Todd at the end. Now this is a replicated system that allows you to make between $500 and $2,000 weekly, just utilizing this entire system that they have in place. Now this system alone is not going to make you, or that's not what's going to make you to $500 to $2,000 a week, simply because you need to drive targeted traffic to this page. And so, like, as you can see there, like, everything's coded to me. It has my name, email address. I put a fake phone number here just because I don't want people calling me. And then it has a get started button. So when you click this get started button, if it should forward you on over to another page here with another video, and then it has like two links below here. And so, like, on this page, they're actually walking you through not only to get the automated system, but they're also walking you through to sign up with this company called Motor Club of America, and which is obviously the star of this entire video right now. So in order to make the amount that you're looking for, $800 a day, you're gonna need to make at least 10 sales a day, okay, to make $800 a day. And that's not a whole lot of sales, especially taking into consideration that these sales are only $40 sales. So this company pays you advanced commissions for selling the membership of Motor Club of America, which, by the way, is simply it's like roadside assistance, but they have a lot more perks and stuff like that. I'm not going to go into detail about it because obviously this video and stuff like that does the explainer for it. I'm also not going to be linking to this funnel here specifically. So, like, if you want the link to this funnel, you're going to either have to copy what you see up here in the in this browser, or you can email me and I'll send you a link. But I'm not putting it in the description of this video or anything like that, because this video is just for demonstration purposes and showing you what you need to do, what you need to have in place to make $800 a day with this system. And so, like, again, step one, step two. So it's very straightforward. You don't have to worry about any selling, telling, or any of that type of stuff. This system explains everything to them. Plus, it allows them to get a duplicate of this entire funnel through your link. So you're making residual income through this get weekly paycheck system, which, again, like, it pays you out through PayPal, but it's residual because everybody's using the system and they're paying monthly for this system. Motor Club of America does have what you call a matrix, but it's not really enough money for me to even break down to you and help you understand like the other side of making money beyond the $80 per sale. Now, I will tell you that like after 5 sales, your amount per commission goes up steadily. I believe it's like $90 or $85, one of the two. They switch it around every now and then, but it goes on up to $90 per sale that you make after you get a certain amount of sales, and each and every sale after that is like $90. But that only is for a week. So like, for example, if you only made 5 sales this week or 6 sales this week, boom, that 6th sale will be $90, and it starts all over the next week. So if you can make more than 6 sales a week, but if you're following this guide, and also like there should be a card that flies on the screen right now. I show you the strategy that you need to use right now with Facebook ads to make this work. Alternatively, you can use YouTube as a way to drive organic traffic to your product. So what that looks like is this, okay? And I love this little whiteboard here, but I'm gonna draw you some more boxes here. I know you guys love these boxes, but let's say that this box right here is your system, okay? This is your system. I could just call it, automated system, whatever. AS, short for automated system. So you're going to be driving traffic to this automated system, okay? And this could be, Facebook ads, using my method I taught you a couple days ago, or you can use YouTube. So I'm going to put YT for YouTube, and you can start driving traffic into your funnel. And remember, you don't have to try to explain anything to these people. All they got to do is watch the video. And don't get frustrated if people don't watch the video and they're asking you a million questions. That just means that they're not ready to work with you because they can't even follow simple instructions. You know what I'm saying? So with this funnel, and you're sending traffic into your funnel, it's gonna make make sales. And but the thing is, folks, like any funnel that I build, I always capture a lead before I go on over to this funnel here. So like, I wanted to show you guys what I put in place, a simple ClickFunnels page that just leads them on over to this funnel here. So let me share that with you. All right, now first I want to say that you in no way, shape, or form have to have this in place in order to make what I said on this video. However, in the long run, you want to have full control over your leads and your audience. And if you're using YouTube, cool. They can subscribe to your YouTube channel. You can do some retargeting from your YouTube channel, and that's cool. But if you're just sending traffic to a funnel like this from, let's say, Facebook ads, you have no way other than retargeting them off of the Facebook ad itself. You have no other way of following up with them. And so you want to have multiple touch points to get in touch with this audience, because not everybody's going to see your video or see this video and this presentation and actually take action the first time they see it. They may go on YouTube, watch several videos, and then go into your funnel, and that's how you make the sale. So you got to have multiple touch points. And so like, I created this page here with a little timer that pops up. It's gonna actually have a couple buttons that pop up underneath this, but I want to stress to you, building a funnel to capture leads is very important, because you can just literally send an email out to your subscribers and send them over to any offer that you want, or you can expose them again to your offer, or you can send videos to them with proof of income of the opportunity that you sent them to the video in the first place. And so like, that's how you can go ahead and warm up those leads until they get to the point where they do finally take action. So I'm gonna go back here for a second. I'm gonna draw this out, the funnel in which I put together, which I said, like, it's not necessary. This is all you need here, but this is the next level. This is what you should be doing next. Once you start making a little bit of money, you can go ahead and get the softwares and things like that to put this in place. But you're literally going to have a capture page, and I put CP for capture page, and then like all you're gonna do is you're gonna, instead of driving the traffic directly to the video into the system, you're gonna send them directly to the capture page, and that capture page is gonna be connected to your automated system. Okay, so now you got the leads, you can continue to send emails out to them, or you can even automate your follow-ups to go out automatically to your leads for this offer. And if they don't decide, if they decide not to buy after 6 or 7 exposures, that's cool. Now they're still on your list, and you're able to follow up with them with something else that may interest them at that time. And so, like, let me go back to this page here. It should have popped up. See how it says option A? If I click this button here, boom, pops up, and I'm collecting a lead before they arrive on the automated system. So, like, boom, it just pops straight on over. So that's exactly what you need to have in place if you're looking to hit $800 days here online. That's the exact system you have in place. I showed you the offer. You can go ahead and look it up and everything. But literally, that's what I'm doing to make this work. So if you got any value out of this video, go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and just just to look forward to more videos that I come out with in the future, giving you unbiased opinions on different marketing tactics, and also sharing with you how you can make an extra couple $100s a day or a few $1,000s a month just with my expertise. So you guys take care, and I definitely will see you at the top.